Next one up is Ernie Duncan again, and this time he's rather quiet because he's a wee Kirk Moose.
I'm a wee Kirk Moose. I haven't got a name, but yon muckle kirk at the corner is my hame, with the cock in the steeple and the bell that gangs ding, and I wish that I was big enough to go on it gie a ring. I can sing all the psalms, I can say all the prayers, and a whiles do a dance up and down the pulpit stairs. I ken all the texts, I can find them in the book, and there's mony a human being with nae notion where to look. When the minister says, firstly, and the folk all settle down, I gang creeping, creeping, creeping in among their Sunday shoon. And I'm wishing, as I'm jinking for the passage to the pew, that they'll maybe drop a pan drop or a peppermint to chew. For I'm sometimes awfully hungry and there's nothing much to eat except the paraphrases and a hymn book for a treat. I've eaten the old hunter, I've chewed beatitudes, but I canna say I've found them the tastiest of foods. I'm a wee Kirk Moose, I haven't got a name, but I'm really quite contented. It's just my empty wame. So I'm hoping that some Sunday, would you mind about me please, and bring me in your Bible just a wee bit, taste of cheese.
That one's quite apt tonight because obviously the Armadale Parish Kirk is inducting a new minister tonight, and because the congregation are inducting a new minister, the next one is even more apt.